You know that feeling when your phone costs ultra money, but your photos still have weird flares and odd skin tones? If you're hoping the Galaxy S26 Ultra will finally sort that out and answer all those doubts in your head, stay with me, because Samsung's next flagship might be solving the problems you care about, just not in the way you probably expect. On paper, the early info around the S26 Ultra looks almost copy-paste from last year. All signs right now point to no major camera hardware upgrade, no dramatic new sensor layout, nothing that screams next generation. At first glance, that sounds underwhelming, especially if you were waiting for a big spec jump to justify upgrading. But the leaks get more interesting once you look past the spec sheet. According to Ice Universe on Weibo, Samsung is focusing on the real camera issues people actually complain about, rather than chasing headline numbers. The changes are quiet, but they target problems users have been calling out again and again. One of the standout tweaks is reportedly improved lens coating. The goal here is to cut down on those harsh flares that blow out contrast and detail. In practical terms, that should mean cleaner shots in bright sunlight and far fewer of those ugly light streaks that can ruin night photos just when the scene looks perfect. Samsung is also said to be adjusting its image processing to tackle another long-standing gripe, that yellowish skin tone look. Fans have been pointing this out for years, and these tweaks are aimed at dialing it back. It's not a flashy change, but it could make people's photos feel noticeably more natural if it all comes together. Timing might shift too. There's talk that the Galaxy S26 lineup won't follow Samsung's usual January launch window. Instead, the series is expected to be unveiled in late February, with sales kicking off sometime in March. So no massive upgrades, no wild redesign, just a later release and focus changes that could actually matter. Design leaks are adding another layer to this story. Fresh images and a short video of what appear to be Galaxy S26 and S26 Ultra mock-ups have surfaced, and they're already generating serious buzz. The source is trusted insider Steve H. McFly, better known as OnLeaks, and his renders often reshape expectations for upcoming flagships. The biggest visual surprise? The camera island is back. After 3 generations of ultra-clean backs with individual lenses sitting directly on the rear panel, Samsung seems ready to change direction. The rear now looks more structured and intentional, less minimalist, almost as if the camera is meant to stand out instead of disappear. There's another subtle but important shift on the Ultra. Its corners now follow the same rounded style as the standard S26, giving the whole lineup a more unified, polished look. The bezels appear slimmer as well, but with the display switched off in these mock-ups, it's still difficult to be completely sure about that detail. If you're still not convinced anything meaningful is changing, look at the proportions. The S26 Ultra is rumored to be slightly taller, thinner, and lighter than its predecessor, while possibly being just a touch wider. It's a careful reshaping of the body rather than a complete overhaul, setting up the next piece of the puzzle. Camera resolution isn't where the upgrades are happening. The megapixel counts are expected to stay the same, but both the main camera and the 5x telephoto are rumored to get wider apertures. That's a subtle shift on paper, but it feeds directly into how the phone handles light and depth in real-world shooting. When you pair those wider apertures with a thinner chassis, the more pronounced camera bump on these models starts to make sense. Whether fans will actually like this trade-off is still an open question. Overall, the updates feel more refined than revolutionary, especially since the S26 Ultra keeps the core look of the S25 Ultra. As for the regular Galaxy S26, it's expected to move up to a larger 6.3-inch display and a slightly thicker body compared to the S25. Across both phones, one thing is unmistakable. That new pill-shaped camera bar dominates the rear design. Samsung clearly wants this element to stand out, and for you to notice it immediately.